Hi, I'm Anton. It's day 41 of daily crypto installments. I continued my purchases as usual. Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. That's a record of my crypto purchases on February 20th, 2025. Today we'll discuss, and GT, can XRP be used for direct payments like money? The answer, technologically possible, but it's not yet widely implemented. XRP is fast and cheap, perfect for transactions. But regulations in many countries don't yet allow XRP as an official means of payment. I also don't understand why regulations don't support it. Perhaps policymakers don't understand crypto? But here's the thing. Imagine the future. You could buy goods across borders using XRP, no need to convert dollars, euros, yen, etc. Several global online stores have started accepting XRP, and if more people use it, the value of XRP could grow even stronger. Cool, right? While the price is currently discounted, I'm even more convinced by this crypto installment program. I bought XRP not because everyone was using it, but because I believed it was headed that way. Who's convinced it's headed that way? Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe so we can check together one day to see if it's really headed that way. If you have parents, especially if they happen to be government officials, policymakers, or perhaps members of parliament, who ask, "What can this coin be used for?" Show them this video. It will help them understand better. Who knows, maybe a policy will eventually emerge that supports the development of crypto in the world. See you tomorrow, at the end of week 6.